So look, whether you're buying coins, selling coins, or you're looking through your coin collection to see if you have a really rare coin, it's extremely important to know that there's a lot of coins out there that look like they're incredibly valuable, but in reality, they may not be worth that much money. Let's go over this 2021 Lincoln Cent coin that recently sold online for over $825. Now here's the thing, there were 31 bids on this coin, and the sad part is there's people out there getting scammed and ripped off nearly every day. One of the biggest key points I try to hammer in on my channel is allowing the people that watch my videos to know a lot of information out there may or may not be accurate. Biggest thing I'm trying to help my viewers avoid is to get ripped off or scammed or spend too much money on a coin that's actually not worth that much money. This is one of the hardest areas to learn about, but I'm going to try to break it down as simply as possible. So long story short, this coin is actually not a factory error. This is what I would call after factory damage. This is something where someone took another coin, lined it up with this coin, and took a hammer or some sort of high pressure machine and crushed these two coins together to make it look like a factory error. So if you ever see a coin that looks like this, 99 times out of 100, it's going to be a non-genuine error. It's incredibly sad to know that there are people out there that don't know any better and they go ahead and spend a lot of money on a coin like this one, hoping that it's worth a lot more money. There's plenty of people on my channel that are here to learn about error coins. They're here to collect, they're here to buy and sell coins, or they just want to sell their collection for the most amount of money. Whatever it is that you want to do, it's important to know this sort of information. That way you have the knowledge to move forward knowing whether you buy a coin or sell a coin that you're actually getting a fair deal. I highly advise against doing anything like this to a coin. If you think, hey, I can turn a penny into $825 like this person did, while this is not legal advice whatsoever, anyone who alters, defaces, mutilates, impairs, diminishes, falsifies, scales, or lightens coins can face fines or prison time. So please, if you think that you're going to try to pull one off on someone and you're going to damage a coin to try to sell it for more money, again, not legal advice, but you should not be doing that. It's simply not a nice thing to do because you're scamming and ripping someone off. Nobody really wants that sort of negative energy or karma behind them, in my opinion. There's many ways to legitimately make money in this industry. This is definitely not one way you want to do it. Hit that subscribe button, it really does help out with the YouTube algorithm. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you in the next video.